Hello there, Ncdu from FormaServe once again. Welcome to our next How To an IBM i video tutorial on how to use Ncdu on the IBM i. Ncdu is a great disk utility. In this tutorial we will walk you through the process of installing and using Ncdu. Ncdu is a command line tool that can show you the disk space usage of your files and directories and libraries in a graphical way. It is based on the ncurses library. In this video I will show you how to install, how to run it, how to navigate through the interface, how to sort, filter and delete files and directories. I will also explain some of the features and options that Ncdu offers. And it's ting ting time. By subscribing to our channel you can ensure that you will receive future notifications of videos in this series. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you appreciate the time and the effort we put into producing these videos, you can show your support by buying me a coffee. Now let's dive straight into the contents of this video. As I said earlier, Ncdu is a disk storage utility with a pleasant interface that works well with our IBM i. It's multi-platform. It runs on the i, it runs under Linux, it runs under Unix and even the mainframe, the Z. Yes, IBM has provided us with a couple of traditional commands to deal with disk storage, namely RTV, DSK, INF, retrieve disk information, and PRT, DSK, INF, print disk information. These commands were introduced to the operating system way back in the early 90s. These commands depended on the power of your power server, take a considerable time to run. Ncdu is an alternative to those commands. A friendly graphical interface for storage which works well with our traditional library structure as well as the IFS. It is very easy to install. For reference, the website will pop up on the screen. I'll put that in the description too. And on to installing Ncdu. Ncdu is installed on your IBM i by using yum. From shell session, run the command yum install Ncdu ncurses terminal info. It needs the two of them. As with other open source packages, you can install Ncdu from the open source package management from ACS. Here you can see my ACS open source package management screen. I have the Ncdu package installed at version 1.16. And that's it, nice and easy. Now we have it installed, what can we do with it? Fire it up in the first place, Ncdu. It is now scanning the directory I was running it in my case, my home directory, which is /home/Andy. Wow, how quick was that? Now tell him, Andy. Yep, I did speed that track up a bit. Maybe a bit more than a bit, to be honest, Gov. Now it is showing the files that are hogging my home directory. It does take a bit of a battering. Let me see what I have in my f_movement directory. Use the arrow keys to drill down, then press enter. This directory had a Node Express application written in it, or part of the demo. We have to drill down to the public folder, then movement. And all the photos. Here we can see a load of images. These were captured during my demo of my Raspberry Pi meets IBM i demonstrations. This one was for Simon Hutchinson's Central Texas user group. Take a look, he has some great speakers. I won't show you the images, especially as the missus nearly came into the room to bring me a drink. Enough said, Andy. I'm sure you'll get the drift of this. Press Q at any time to quit out of Ncdu. If we want to see exactly what's hogging our box, we can run Ncdu with the / and if you like a bit of colour, place the argument --colour, COLOR, no U in it, and space dark. Will give us a few extra colours. So this will show all the file systems, including qsys libraries, and also include qdls and all the open source directories. I'll start that off and let you come back when it's completed. Drilling down here will give a visual representation of which directories are holding the biggest objects. The top folder on my box is the network server storage library, where it's running some other partitions, so no surprise there then. Let me have a look at which libraries are hogging the system. Ncurses, and what have we got? So, no surprise, QGPL is taking up the most space. As we see at many client sites, QGPL, a general purpose dumping ground. I'll pick any library, and here we can see just one file in that library at nearly 2 gig. If I press the I key, it shows all its attributes. Pressing the I again to close the pop-up window. Now back to the whole list of libraries, and this time picking out our company library, FormaServe. That's got a few more objects. Let me navigate back to our IFS folders, and then into the 7.3 folder, where are all the install images of the OS we keep. Pressing the question mark key, which is Shift and / on my keyboard, probably different on yours, where we can see the keys to move into lower or upper directories, sorting by different options, and the best key for deleting any large objects is the D. If we don't need this anymore, press the D and it does give you a confirmation screen before deleting anything. Let me navigate back up the directory and press the I for information on a directory. The Powerwire directory. It's a great publication, so sign up for it, it's free, and they have some good writers. I will then get you out of the information window. Thank you for watching this video on Ncdu, a powerful and user-friendly tool that can help you analyse and manage your disk use spacage. As you have seen on Ncdu, it offers many advantages over the traditional commands, such as a graphical interface, interactive navigation, sorting and filtering options, and the file deletion capability. Ncdu is just one example of how open source can provide us with great alternatives to the commands that we are used to and make us rethink how we do things. Open source software is all about innovation and collaboration, and Ncdu is no exception. I encourage you to give it a try and see for yourself how it can improve your daily productivity and efficiency. You can find out more about Ncdu from its official website. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please like and share and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials on open source software, and I really do appreciate your feedback and support. See you next time. If you need any further details about open source or IBM I, check out all our videos at learning.formaserve.co.uk and the articles we have written for Powerwire.eu. I hope you find them useful and let us know if there are any other topics you want us to cover. In this video we covered some significant features and benefits of IBM I. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Learn from our experts and boost your skills on IBM I. Visit our website today and sign up for our training courses, or buy us a coffee to show your support for our creative work. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.